how to change your TikTok account's name. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I will simply show you the way as to how you can change a display name or be it your username on the TikTok application. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can basically see that this is how the interface is going to look like. The very first thing you have to do is just come to your profile page, which is at the bottom of the screen. Now let me show you the difference between the two types of names on TikTok. The one which you see at the very top in the drop down menu is actually my display name, and the other one which you can see at the bottom is actually my username, which is used by people in order to search for my profile on the TikTok platform. So keep in mind that in order to change this name, you just have to tap on the edit profile button. However, there are also some type of limitations to it. So if you want to change a display name or your name, just tap on it, and keep in mind that once you change it, you will not be able to change it for the next 7 days. So which means that once you change your real name today, you can only change it after the next 7 days, not after that. And once you've entered the new name, just tap on the save button on the top right, and if you want to change the username, tap on the username button. Now on the username, it's actually also very strict. You will not be able to change it next 30 days after you go ahead and change it now. So make sure to not to add any type of unusual capitalization, punctualization, or anything that you might regret later on. Just enter the one, be very careful on it, and tap on the save button on the top right corner, and just like that, you would have been able to change your names on TikTok. So basically I showed you two things. One is that you can change the username, the other is that you can change the regular full name. Hopefully this video helped answer your question and solve your problem as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.